How to see saved card info on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Safari. On the Safari settings page, scroll down to the General section and tap on AutoFill. On the AutoFill screen, you will see an option for saved credit cards. Tap on this to proceed. You will now see a list of all the credit and debit cards you have saved. If you have any cards stored, they will appear here. You can tap on any card in the list to view its full number and expiration date. Following these steps, you can easily see saved credit card info on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.